In DesignerLogic, you can view and edit specs in a number of different places. To view specs on the fly, hover over an eye icon next to the item's name, and you'll see all the spec information. Hover over the same icon next to the quantity for financial information. To edit this item, hover over the three green dots to the far right and choose Edit Item. Here you'll see the edit page where you can edit all the different specs for that specific item. Another place to edit items very quickly is the Quick Edit page. Click the pencil icon for inline editing. Click on the Details icon to get more information in one place. Another place where you can see a lot of different editing options is on the Items Detail page. We'll go to this Rugs Details page. And here you'll see all the information about this rug in one place. Up here at the top, you can just click on the Edit link, and that will give you that same edit page. Now when you make an edit on an item, it's going to track changes for you automatically. Just click on the Changes tab for that item, and you can see all the different changes that were made on this item over time. To see the detail, just click on the three-dot menu at the far right, and you can see more detail about what was changed on that specific item. Last thing we'll show you is on the item, instead of going to the Details page, if you want more editing options that are just displayed right front and center, click on Work Table. And that's going to open up this main Work Table page where you can really focus on the items editing all in one place.